outside of building number 1 today, and our goal today was to find jobs. Today was day 2 of our lean and clean dedicated housekeeping and lean stuff, lean improvement activities in the morning. So we were looking for jobs that operators who don't have a dedicated equipment piece could do something like walk around with a shop vac and vacuum stuff up, or take a broom and hit an aisle. So we were successful at that. We want to make sure people, we want to make sure you guys, when you show up, you know what to do, because we're going to give you the time and the tools to do it. So that was today's goal. So enjoy the video.
Okay, so here was Christian in building number 1 maintaining this little drill press station. You can see he's got the broom underneath the cabinet, which I was really happy to see that. Nobody asked him to do that. He just got down and dirty and started cleaning that area up. Here was the saw operation, and a lot of sawdust in this area on the saw, and as well as the fire shutoff valve here. So I wanted to see if the Stingray could do a decent job in cleaning that up. So if we put a Stingray in that area, could somebody maintain that station every day using that Stingray, just vacuuming up that sawdust? And I will show you in the after video that it's quite an effective tool. So here's the after. I apologize that the camera is kind of wild. It's kind of all over the place. But you can see here that the valve is now looking really good. So if we can get our dust control under better control and vacuum more of it up than blow it around, we're in good shape. So we'll also want to get that fan. If the fan's clean, it won't be blowing sawdust into the air. So I was happy with the Stingray work there. The tool is a good tool for that station. Then we will move over to inside. You walk in the door off to the left, down by the pallet rack there, you can see there was some trash. So Jose put Elwin on this area, and you can see that he was doing a good job maintaining that aisle. He would show up, or somebody would show up every day and maintain that aisle, so we know that it's covered and it would look good every single day. So that's an operator without a workstation, but he would have something to do. This is a CNC machine, a lot of sawdust on the top of the rail. Wanted to see if the Stingray could do a decent job in cleaning that off, and it did. It took me just a couple of minutes, and you'll see in the after portion of the video, look at the job it did. So that's another area that the Stingray could hit, and we'd have some good sawdust control in just a matter of minutes. Was happy to see that. And also it hit the electrical box. You can see that. It vacuumed off the pallet racking. And then I also hit the eye wash station. You'll see that in after video coming up here, after portion of the video. So here we go, after. Electric box clean, pallet racking clean, and the eye wash station is clean. And that's important. If somebody were to go use that, it needs to be dust free. So everything looks good, and it took just a couple of minutes. So the Stingray, the little Stingray shop vac tool, is a very effective tool that we'll look into getting several of them in all of the buildings. Several of our operators should be able to use this little guy here going forward.